What's up guys, Shahbaz here. So the new Samsung Galaxy S23 will look stunning design. With this new camera module, less hole punch for your pound. We are getting rid of it. While they just announced the Galaxy S22 Ultra is the cream of the current Samsung butter, it won't be too long before we are excited about a new flagship smartphone and with the expectation of any major surprises. One of the most futuristic and likely to arrive in early 2023 in the form of the Samsung Galaxy S23 line that may seem light years away. But the Samsung Galaxy S23 rumor mill is already starting to fragment into action, with a famous tech insider on his Twitter profile page named Ice Universe imagining what the new Samsung Galaxy S23 would look like with under-display camera technology. The tech insider Ice Universe has already makes clear that these are unofficial Galaxy S23 photos. They have been mocked up by the designing a custom wallpaper that obscures the Samsung Galaxy S22's front hole punch camera cutout to give the figment of the imagination of a new device and design. As far as Photoshop sleights of hand go, it is a pretty clever trick. It's safe to say that a flagship Galaxy S-series device with a true edge-to-edge display looks more stunning, and that the death of the hole punch that everyone wants without any hesitation. That said, UDC. UDC means under-display camera. This technology still has to come of age before being developed in a device as important to Samsung as the Galaxy S23 that will be officially launched in 2023. As we noted in our Galaxy Z Fold 3 review in 2021, a UDC does not come close to shooting the same quality images as a normal front selfie camera that used in the Galaxy S22 Ultra this year. So there is too many work to be done before such a feature can go in final mainstream. Fortunately, the current Galaxy S22 lineup is going to keep us happy at the moment. The previously mentioned Galaxy S22 Ultra is a dead cert to make it into the next revision of our best flagship smartphones guide, while even the more run-of-the-mill Galaxy S22 Plus is impressive device on nearly all fronts. Still, if Samsung wants to further its reputation as the Apple of the Android world, it will need something jazzy sooner rather than later, as rival devices like the Google Pixel 6 Pro offer just as much hole punch for your pound these days. That's it for now. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. Until the next video, take care of yourself very well. Peace out.